Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall learn how to make a back-to-back brochure in CANVA. So first and foremost, open up your CANVA application, and your CANVA application at the home page will look like this. Okay, so now if you want to create a back-to-back brochure, what you'll do is simple. Come to templates over here. When you come to the templates, wait for it to load up a bit. Okay, so what you'll do is simple. Come and search over here. Then what you'll search for is a brochure. Okay, so I hope this is a correct spelling of brochure. Okay, so this is a brochure. Just tap on that over there, and then quickly you wait for it to load up a bit. Okay, so when it's done loading, you'll see a variety of brochures over here. So you can come and pick from a few that you want, but you have to note that some of them are in the pro version over here. This means if you're not a pro user, you won't be able to get these back-to-back brochures. This one just have the pro icon over here. You won't be able to get them. So look for the one which is free, like this one over here. This one is free, and you can basically come and use this one here, and then you can create anything using this back-to-back brochure from CANVA. Okay, so this is a brochure over here. It's still loading, as you can see, but if you want to see it clearly, just go back to the backside over here. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like over here. So just click on it and then wait for it to load up a bit. Okay, so when it finishes loading up a bit, you see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and this is a back-to-back brochure, as you can see. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.